Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create home page in WordPress with Elementor add-on. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic, and I will request you to watch the video till the end because I am going to demonstrate step-by-step guideline in this video. So let's dive in. So first of all, as you can see, we are already in our dashboard and we use this local host apps to create a local host in our computer. So as you can see, this is our website and the URL is mahim.local and mahim is my name, so I choose this one. So once you set up your dashboard, then you just need to come back into the page to create a new page as your home page. So as you can see, we already have a couple of pages called privacy policy and sample page. Let's go and let's check our front end design. This is our front end design, so I want to change it. So how we can change it? The process is really simple. So first of all, you just need to create an page over that place. Just click over here, add page, and give a name that will be, it is a title. So here I'm going to give a name that will be home, and then I will just click on publish. Once I click over here, then I just need to do something else. That is the main factor in this throughout the process. That is, you just need to go over here into the setting, then go to the general. Once you visit that place, here you will get options like site title, tagline, then you can add your site icon, you can change your site address and many things. Here you can see we have couple of options. Then you just need to visit this one, reading. Once you come over here, then now you can check this out. It's called reading setting, and you can see your home page display. So here they are by default choose that your latest post, but I already created an page for my home page as you can see it in the video. So I'm going to click or select this on, that is static page, select below, and you can see this is the home page. So I'm going to select this home, and now I'm going to save this one. Once I save this, now if I visit on our front end design, then you can see it already added over here, and our work has been done to by default set our home page to our new created page. As you can see, this is the front page. So now that comes to another step, that is how we can design our home page by using Elementor. This is really simple. So you just need to visit on plugin. As you can see, this is the plugin. Just click on install plugin. Then here you can see we don't have any plugin yet like Elementor, so I'm going to include one. That's why I am going to click on add plugin. Once I click over here, it will redirect us to the store where we can install any plugin from that place which will be relevant for our business or our website. So here you can see this is the search plugin option in the right corner. I'm just going to search it Elementor, and let's hit enter button, and eventually you will get your result over that place. So here you can see this is the raw Elementor add-ons and template. Then we have another one, but this is our add-on, so we need a parent plugin that's called Elementor, and it's provided by Elementor. As you can see in the third number of the first row, you can see this is the Elementor website builder, more than just page builder, and you can find out this one in the end that it's provided by Elementor. I'm just going to click install now. If you want to discover further more, you can click on more details. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going to install it, and I will dive into the main work. So here, once it install complete, as you can see it installed, and you just need to click on install plugin. So it is install only, but right now we just need to be activate it to using on our website. So you just need to click on activate. Once you click over here, they will ask you to create an account for using the premium pro plugin like in Elementor, but I don't have any premium plan, so I'm going to click on skip Then they are asking for start with their by default theme called Hello Beast theme. I don't want to use this one, so I'm going to click on escape. Now here you can see elevate your website with additional pro features. So it is not required for right now because I'm going to use this free platform. So click on escape and click on escape, and it will take a while and it will redirect you to the next step, as you can see it. So let's go and click on dashboard again, and let's see our eventual result, and then let's find out is it really working or not. So sometimes it will take a while to loading because of computer pressure and hard work, so you need to be a patience to working on this WordPress website. So finally you can see we are already redirected to our dashboard, and in here you can see 2 elements has been added to our dashboard panel. So now I am going to design my home page. How I can do it? It is really simple. You just need to follow my step-by-step guidelines. So you just need to click on edit. Once you click over here, now you just need to mention that you want to use Elementor for designing this home page. So how you can do it? You just need to click on edit with Elementor. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you the options to add elements from Elementor, and it will by default set for Elementor users. So here you can see this is our home page. So now I am going to set my this page like here. You just need to click on these options, and now you can see we have couple of options for design system, theme style, and setting. So I'm going to click on this site identity. Just click over here, and now here you can see if you have a logo you can add it by using these options. If you not, then just ignore it. Then click on layout. This is really important, layout. So here you can see default page layout. So you just need to select this Elementor full width if you want to enable all from Elementor, like the header, footer, and the middle sections. So I'm going to select this one, or you can select this Elementor canvas. It's totally depend on your plan how you want to design your website. Just click on this, then click on refresh, and let's see. As you can see, when we select this layout as WordPress, what we see full width, it will be saw something like this. If you select this Elementor canvas, then the outlook will be totally different. Here you can see this way. So I'm going to click on this one, and let's go and let's dive into the main goal, that is edit our website. So how we can do it? So I'm going to select this one again. So I'm going to change this one. So just click on this and then click this one. So this will be our interface. So I'm going to add section over that place. How I can do it? Just click on this plus button, then click which layout would you like to use for this design. So I'm going to click this one, and here you have this option to select your structure for your design. So I'm going to add a container first of all. As you can see, I added a container because I'm going to make this home for our audiences. So here I am going to add an image as a background. So just click on this background and add an background over that place. So select this, and they will give you option to upload any image over that place. So let's find out. Yeah, this one will be good for our design. So click on select, and now I am going to add an spacer. So let's search for a spacer. Here you can see this is the spacer. So I'm going to implement on this. Let's increase the size, and there I'm going to do some work. That will be image resolution will be not much. Yeah, this may be good. Position center, then scroll, repeat will be no repeat, by default cover, and now it looks amazing. So I'm going to add a couple of buttons over that place. So here I'm going to add one, and I am going to change the name, that will be shop. And let's design this button. So green is not well for my design, so here I'm going to change it to this. And the main thing, we're going to add couple of color over that place. Let's add one. So I think this one is not good, so here I'm going to add an overlay with this one. So just click on let's delete this background right now, and we just going to change the color of this palace, and opposite will be this. Yeah, it looks amazing right now. And similarly I'm going to do the work for this one also. Yeah, I'm going to make it fixed. Why I choose fixed? Because you can see it looks really impressive right now. That's why I choose this one. And repeat will be always no repeat, and it will be content, or I'm going to select it as a cover. Now you can choose this one as a darken or overlay. It's totally up to you what kind of a blend do you want in your design. Once you're done, then you can think like your shop, like your products in second class. Then you can add many more. And if you want to upload like templates, you can do it by using this Elementor. They give you the option. Here you can see template, and we have theme builder, and here you can see if you are using the premium plan, then you can make this kind of a template over here, like product archive, product and footer, header, and many things. So I hope you'll find out how easy the process was to create an home page with Elementor. You just need to discover all the necessary things, like explore. So I hope this video was really helpful. If you think this was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.